Welcome. If you've muted a friend on Snapchat and now you're missing their messages, don't worry, unmuting them is super quick and easy. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn their chat notifications back on using the latest Snapchat update. First, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are located. Next, scroll slightly and tap on My Friends. This is where you'll see your full friends list on Snapchat. Take a moment to find the friend whose chat you previously muted. Once you've found their name, press and hold on it. A small menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This section lets you control how you receive alerts from that specific friend. Now, tap on Notification Settings. Here's where the important part happens. You'll see an option called Mute Chats. If it's currently turned on, that means you won't receive any notifications from this friend. To unmute them, simply toggle off Mute Chat.